Hey guys, Silver Game of Thrones. Long time didn't talk, right? Look on this mouse pad I recently bought. My channel is kind of related to dragons. I like dragons. I have a lot of this collection, and I decided to pick one of this. Why not black? Why not white? It's too boring for me. Like have a black, pad. It's the same like have talk about American Silver Eagle all the time. I think you guys all bored to death, about all this American Silver Eagle, and there's some dude, show you like he's a American Silver Eagle, talk hours and hours on black pad. It's the same for me. I like colors. Life's supposed to be full of colors. You guys need to be excited about what you're doing. This is why I decided to get this white guy, because look on him, I like this, Game of Thrones, he is from Game of Thrones, the dragon. It's just outstanding. Okay, back to the business. Okay, so I got a package. I suppose it will be short. Couple of coins, nothing excited. After 5 years, I decided to slow down a little bit. So let me take my paperwork. By the way, I guys suggest, when you do unpackaging, don't show these boxes, Don't show these boxes because, because there are a lot of private information, You never know. So, yeah, try to avoid, showing unboxing from boxes. This is what I usually do. So what do you have here? Okay, so first of all, I pick up two more. After looking into Silver 5150 channel, I decided to pick up, let me switch the light maybe. Yeah, I decided to pick up more of this Sumatran tigers. Yeah, I have one, but I decided to pick up two. When you look into Silver 5150 channel, he is, the silver pumper, I'm telling you. But, every time when I look on his channel, I decided to buy more. So I say, yeah, it's really cute tiger, walking through the water. It's like a toy, I guess I can give this presents to my kids, It's really excited coin. And I have some of these tigers, I will show you. This is my another collections. I have a bunch of this collection, 5 years of premium coins. Yeah, so I have a couple of these tigers I want to share with you. This one is Korean tiger 2019, which is somehow correlated Republic of Korea. It's also because it's South Korea, right? Not the North, when you have this dictator. And this is another one. And this is also Z, right? This is a also Korean tigers. They both are Korean tigers. So I guess this coin can, because it's also from where it is. I need to check which mint it is. So I have a couple of these tigers, and this Sumatran tiger, which mint is this? Royal Australian mint. So it doesn't match because it's Royal Australian mint, but it's so cute, so nice. Yeah, I don't need to, to talk about this much. You guys know this coin. You guys know it's outstanding cute tiger, small tiger. So I pick up two more of them. And anyway, whatever you pick up today, $24, $25 for premium, it's like a gift, guys. I'm telling you. And whoever tell you the premium is never premium again, man, big mistakes. Big mistakes, I am telling you. And why people misunderstand it? Because they think you can never sell it. I will tell you, I recently have 2-3 sales, local sales. And I sold like $4,000-$5,000 of my premium silver in 2-3 days. 2-3 days. People contacted me, and I have secure location. And he bought one time, and then he bought second time, and basically one guy, he basically grabbed whatever I wanted to sell. So you don't need 1,000 people to sell your premium silver. You just need, to find, someone who likes it. So. Yeah, but I do have, premium collections. and we will talk now about this, which I basically want to save. So next one is this one. Let me maybe switch the light a little bit. Oh no, I don't know. I need to probably open it. It's the Sin Ratus. This Sin Ratus. Okay, so it's 2020, right? Yes, South Korea. Oh, today is South Korea, presentation. It's all about South Korea today. Okay, so I have this guy. Let me take it out. Yeah, South Korea. What I like about this South Korea, because they have this AG and 999, right? In some angle you see 999, yeah, right, like this, 999, and some angle you see AG. Komsko, it's Komsko Mint, South Korea. Yeah, this is collection coins, guys. I don't know how you, but you collect them. And recently we have this half ounce, right, for sale. So I grabbed them. I didn't get them, but I will see. So this is 12. What the name of this collection? 12 Guardians series. This is 12 Guardian series. This Sin. And this specific, it's a fourth issue of Cosmos, this Sin, 12 Guardians. And it's assigned to protect 12 direction. These Guardians serve protection to the world against evil forces from 12 direction at all times. This issue features Ratus, who has the ability to foresee danger. Yep, 12 Guardians to my collection, and I will share with you my other coins. Okay, here we go. So we have 4 coins in this collection, right? So this is the SCOFA. I think we have for sale these coins half ounce, right? So I didn't get mine yet. I will check. Second one is Kenny's. It is 2019. This is 2018, and this is, guys, crazy expensive. I don't know even how much. I think last time I checked half year ago it was 60-70 bucks. It was the first one, 2017, and it is Gallus. Okay, so they are very collectible coins, guys, and they are proof or not proof, I'm not sure. No, they are not proof, but they are very, it's a BU. Beautiful and circulated, but they are very collectible coins. So I have one more into my collection, which will be number 4. This is why I like to collect silver in collection. Beautiful coin, beautiful. Let's look again on this. Yeah. Ratus. Okay, guys, grab one when you can, because it's still cheap. I'm not sure how much it today, but it's still cheap. Like 20, 25, I think 25, 26. I need to check. Okay, so what else we have? The last one is Medusa Anonymous Mint. So one day I will make collection Anonymous Mint. I have bunch of these coins. If you guys want to know what is Anonymous Mint, Anonymous Mint. So you just go through the site Anonymous Mint and you can look. I probably have 90% of Anonymous Mint coins. I have Lisa Parkin coin. I have 5 ounce and 1 ounce. I have Ann Stokes coins, 1 ounce. I have Amy Brown. I have Alphonse. I have Nordin collection. I have Certiclor collection. In 5 years, whatever, I am just hunting these coins. And this is just a single standalone. And I also have 2 more. You see Kraken and the Death, whatever the name is, Memento Mori. Yeah, everyone like to make this Memento Mori coins, and Kraken is also very cool. Let me show you the Kraken. Yeah, how it look like. Yeah, everyone make Kraken, you know, Canadian mint make Kraken. And from the backside, they always say anonymous mint, sometimes, not always. Let's say if they make collection like Amy Brown and Annie Stock, it's totally different story. It's a long time, guys. It probably will take like half an hour to show all this collection because I have a bunch of them. I have special box with the anonymous mint collection. This is for my kids. It doesn't go to anywhere. This is a Kraken. And this is one more I pick up. It is standalone, kind of. They don't have many of standalone, but when I see it, $23, $25, this is Medusa. Yeah. It's very collectible. So, anonymous mint. If you see one, grab one. And of course, you like the show of verification, right? So let me run the show of verification. Silver 999. I hope you can see it. Run. Why I check this? Because it's anonymous mint, right? You never know. Of course it's a silver, you know, because dealers do all this verification. But I mostly interesting to know, you know, these guys, you know, when they do this, okay, 0. 1 ounce, right? 101, which is go to 101. You know, usually when you have small mints, it can be some, you know, something going on, you know, with small mints. So I try to be sure. Oh, by the way, I have also to check this one. Yeah, silver with this Korean mint. Okay, guys, this is what I want to share. It's already past 10 minutes, so I don't want to be long. Okay, keep stacking. And I little bit hold on now because I basically fulfill my target, you know, for silver. And I'm looking now more into gold. You know, when I see gaps, I buy gold. I buy numismatic gold, you know, like which close to spot and it has retail value, good retail value. I'm not into, I'm basically just, you understand, I always do in opposite to public, okay? Public buy American Silver Gold, Eagle Gold, I buy when it's cheap, but I prefer to play more interesting game. I prefer to play game when you have kind of numismatic, which people don't really see value today, but they will see value tomorrow because they are limited, right? And there's still gold, so you can two benefits. You have two benefits, selling gold and selling numismatic, right? Okay, guys, enjoy my show, and I will be updating you next week probably, or maybe, you know, this weekend I will send something. I'm getting some gold, so interesting. I'm getting Ducat, 1 Ducat gold, and 1 French, I think. So I'll give you some update. Bye bye. Keep stacking, guys. All the best to you. I love you all, and thanks for the new stackers to join my channel.